Data science continues to be one of the most in-demand and highest-paying careers across technology, business, and analytics. Organizations rely on data scientists to turn complex data into insights that drive smarter decisions, improve performance, and create competitive advantages. If you're exploring a future in analytics, artificial intelligence, or machine learning, this career roadmap will help you understand what it takes to break into data science and grow long-term. Welcome to Business Training Media, where we explore career paths, certifications, and professional skills to help you build a secure and meaningful future. In this video, we'll break down the data scientist's career roadmap, including the skills you'll need, income potential, and how to get started, so you can decide whether this path aligns with your career goals. Let's start with what a data scientist does and why this role continues to grow in demand. A data scientist analyzes large data sets to uncover insights and solve complex problems. They use statistical analysis, machine learning models, and data visualization to help organizations make informed business decisions. On a day-to-day basis, data scientists may clean and prepare data, build predictive models, test hypotheses, and present findings to stakeholders in a clear and actionable way. Data scientists work across many industries, including technology, healthcare, finance, marketing, e-commerce, and manufacturing. Most roles are office-based or remote-friendly and involve close collaboration with analysts, engineers, product teams, and business leaders. If you like analyzing complex data sets, developing machine learning models, and solving statistical problems, this role may be a strong fit for you. To succeed as a data scientist, professionals develop a mix of technical expertise, analytical thinking, and communication skills. Key skills you'll need include data science fundamentals, machine learning, concepts and model development, Python programming for data analysis and modeling, School for querying and managing databases, data analysis and exploratory data techniques, statistics and probability, algorithms and logical problem solving, and data visualization using tools to communicate insights effectively. Beyond technical skills, strong problem-solving abilities and the ability to explain complex findings to non-technical audiences are highly valued. Many employers also look for hands-on experience through projects, case studies, or real-world data sets. There are several paths into data science, including self-study, academic programs, and structured online training. For beginners or career changers, guided learning programs can provide a clear roadmap by combining theory, hands-on labs, and real-world projects. Industry-recognized professional certificates are especially valuable for building job-ready skills and demonstrating credibility to employers. We've included top recommended data science professional certificates in the video description that focus on practical, career-aligned learning. These programs help learners build foundational knowledge, apply skills through projects, and prepare for real data science roles. Compensation in data science varies based on experience, specialization, and location, but it remains one of the strongest paying career paths in technology. The median salary for data scientists is approximately $146,304, with entry-level professionals earning competitive starting salaries and significant growth potential over time. As skills improve and experience increases, professionals can move into higher-paying roles. Career advancement paths may include senior data scientist, machine learning engineer, data science manager and AI, or analytics lead. With continuous learning and specialization, data science offers long-term income growth and career stability. A career in data science is well-suited for individuals who enjoy problem-solving, working with data, learning new technologies, and applying analytical thinking to real-world challenges. It's an excellent option for those comfortable with continuous learning and interested in a career that combines technical expertise with business impact. If you're motivated by data-driven decision-making and long-term career growth, data science can be a highly rewarding path. If this data science career roadmap helped clarify your next step, you'll find additional training resources and recommended courses linked in the description to support your learning. For more career guides, certifications, and professional development resources, visit us at businesstrainingmedia.com. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone exploring a career in data science. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.